Hello everyone. This is in this video. I'm going to show you how the SMS bulk platform works. This is a software that you can own outrightly, and you can use it for your business to reach out to your customers if you have their contact base. What I mean by contact base is if you have their contact list, like phone numbers. So this one it only works for SMS. You can check my other videos. I have the one I did about email, WhatsApp, email and WhatsApp. So in case you want to explore on other ones like email and WhatsApp and this SMS, check out my other videos to see that. So now let's explore this platform with the features accordingly. You can see in the test run, so 2 has been sent, 14 has been received. That means 2 messages sent so far. And yeah, you can create a profile for people, and the benefit again is that it also has subscription. So this profile will be for anybody that wants to use the platform, be it admin or anything. So this is, you can see this is the admin dashboard. So now this device is when you connect your phone. Now note this application has an application. It has an app, so you can use it as an app. I can use it on a, what is it called, on a web, which is this web that I'm using, this Chrome. Now you can see 2 devices are already connected to it. I'll show you how it works. So now all you need to do now is to click on hard device and scan this. Go to your phone or camera or go to Google Chrome. You'll see where scanning is. You also scan this automatically. The what is it called? It will ask you to register. The application will download itself. You can see download latest version of Android app from here. Either you click here. Once you click here to other menu, you will see the app to download, or you scan this to download the app. It's not a Play Store, so this is the only way you can download the app. So once you download the app, it will ask you to sign up. You ask for email address and ask you for password. Immediately you want to sign up, it's going to send you a login details to your email immediately. So once you do that, so now this is just for you, like you want to own it by yourself. It's a one-time login. You don't have to like show yourself about that. Except if you have some customers that want to be using the software that you have, hey, they will now be signing up under you. You now set a subscription for that. I'll get to that part, sir. So let me just keep going. So once you add the device, it shows connected. So once it's connected, you can always switch your device. You can add as many devices, as many phone as you like to this, because you need to have your phone before this app can work. You need to have your phone because your phone will serve as a gateway uh to send a message to your customers. Here is where you put blacklist of contacts, and here is a template. If you want to send a message, templates, creating templates or how you want the message to be. Maybe you want to put hello, hi, putting links. Also put links in the template. You can create your own templates. So templates will be what you'll be using whenever you want to send messages. And this is the messages that I've sent so far. Let me show you guys. Okay, I think I jumped. The contact section is where you have the contact list of people you want to be sending your this thing to. So yeah, now let's move to the contact side. So now this is contact list where you can add the contacts of your customers, as many as you can. You can add millions of contacts. So it has option for importing contacts and exporting contacts, where you can use CSV contacts for the sheet contact. There are some ways that you can generate contact list on a CSV file, so you can import it here immediately or you add it manually, anyhow you want it. So moving on to the message section, where you can start sending the bulk messages. So once you create the contact list, you can always add it here to the message, and you can also select the device you want to use. Like I said, you can add as many devices as you want. So now you can see I've sent some messages. You can see my message from my phone is also coming here as well, because it's connected together. I can receive message and I can also send. I'm going to block this part for security reasons. Now coming to the sending parts, this is where you send, and this is where you receive messages. This is where you send a message to your customers once you have what is it called, the contact list already imported. You can see where you create this is where you had the numbers. This is where you can add as many numbers. Just put comma at the end of the numbers. I also select the network. You automatically the device are active. The device that you want to use, you can just select device on top here, and click the option that you want to use. There's MMS, there's SMS, also the template. Then you can send the message you want to send. MMS is when you want to send a picture message to your customers. Maybe it's something you want to show them, like a discount. Now it also have USD option. This USD option is like all this code, hash star, you want to create USD code for maybe your customers, or you want to create it for people that subscribe for you. So it's also available on this platform. Now also, so now this is the API section where you can set and connect anything you want to do. API, if you want to explore other platforms, like you want to make use of a different device, so you can always set, or maybe a network provider, I can set API on how to use it. This is where you had it webhook, and it's going to integrate it automatically. Now there's not much. So subscription is where you create plans for your customers. You set subscription. If you want to sell the software for people should start paying you monthly. You can set a subscription plan for them, whereas they'll be using it and you get money at the end of the month. So this is where the plan is, and this is where you can manage the users and etc. So this is also an option to download the application. It's as easy as ABC. So guys, so let me know if you have any questions. I'll drop the details in the description. And if you want to purchase this is going for a white label, which is the white label. You're going to own it outrightly. It's a one-time payment for a lifetime enjoyment. So let me know if you have a question and send a DM. Contact me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Bye.